What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more
We're gonna have now.
Gillac.
Cacık.
Hello. No, que está burra. So, we are here in Behes.
It's a Persian cuisine.
Try to see which is the difference between the Persian cuisine, Persian food and Turkish food. Which you said are quite similar, but let's see the difference, or at least...
You already see the difference.
Yes, we already started
But
with
you like it
Iran.
better, right?
No?
Iran.
Iran. Which here has like herbs, which is homemade. The other one that we have in the other restaurant
The factory made.
was like more less traditional. No, not it's traditional, but it's
Factory made.
Yeah.
It's not handmade.
so this one looks like very nice. Well, I tried already. I like it. I prefer this one rather than the other one. It's true. Maybe because of the herbs. I love herbs. So we are going to have Burada.
Biryani.
The names are the most difficult names ever. It's not tortilla de patatas, no. Biryani. I'm going to be famous. We are going to have gillac
Yeah, sure, nice.
and baba ganoush.
Oh, you're getting better.
Well, that one is easy because I can read the same words that is writing down here. And that like a starters. And we are going to have an dolma.
Yeah, dolma.
Dolma. Which is like the sarma, similar. The leaves are...
Similar, not same.
Used to stick to the camera. Yes, similar to sarma. And then as a main, we are going to have this one, no? Kebab.
Georgie,
Vale. Jeji kebab,
which is chicken.
with chicken, and the other one with lamb. Kebab montak.
Mumtaz. You cannot say ü, right? Ü.
You. Joder, we are going to do again the same. Mumtaz. Okay. Kebab montak. Vale, I'm inventing all the name, no problem, okay? And then we'll see what we order as dessert, because for me it looks like so many foods. And the decoration is lovely. I mean, it's like another world. So I never have been in the Middle East, obviously, which I
But
looking
you're
forward
right,
to.
right?
Yes, I'm sure.
Londra'da değiliz ve Mardin'deyiz, İran'dayız, Tahran'dayız şu an. Yani dekorasyon, zaten göstereceğiz şimdi detaylar, ürünler, antik parçalar, o kadar güzel tablolar, işte figürler. Ben ondan daha fazla etkilendim. Okay, Mercedes, some of our food is here now. What is, and this is dolma. You already know, you did it. You are like,
Sarma, we know.
yeah, like
what it is,
master.
we love it. Well, not a master.
You cook it, you love it, and everything.
But salmon, I know we love it. And three of these ones, these three.
And you remember the names?
No. Papagano? No. Biryani. This one with spinach is papagano. Sarma, and this one yaki. This one yaki.
Taste this. This yellow stuff is saffron.
Saffron.
Saffron.
You call it saffron?
Saffron.
We harvest it in Spain, super expensive.
Very expensive.
We put it in the paella.
We don't.
Everything looks amazing.
We don't, but they're using rice. Yeah, you like the purines?
Well, to me looks a lot of food. We'll see if we can finish or not.
Then-
We should bet something.
If you finish. So if you finish, I pay.
No, half and half. But, well, let's try. Let's see.
Let's go on. So we eat, then we talk.
Vale, now we tell you what we think about it. Well, I'm mega full. We are
Yeah,
not-
already.
For sure, we are
You-
not going to finish all of this.
But I'm surprised. I'm surprised of the how big is portions because I'm here for 2 years. If you pay this amount of money, which is very low, it's not a high price, isn't it? It's cheap,
It's cheap.
very cheap.
For
And
that we expect less food.
this is 15 pounds, and it was full of chicken, full of rice. You cannot have it anywhere, like so. For this price, I didn't think it's gonna be like portions gonna be like that big. So we ordered everything, but we
I know.
literally couldn't
He
eat.
always is like that. Even if he knows the portions are big, he doesn't care. He ordered like for 5 people. But well, the problem is this is too much, but this is very nice. Between the chicken and the lamb,
I cannot choose because they're both nice.
yeah. Okay, I started with the lamb and then I tried the chicken, and I thought that I prefer the chicken, but the flavor of the lamb is like more intense. Like very nice. Sarma, better than the other place.
What can you say?
Is the truth. This one is like, well, this one you said is handmade. And you can see because they are irregular and the flavor, the rice is perfectly cooked.
Like you did before.
No, we tried. We are amateur.
Now you are professional now.
Was very nice. The flavor is the same
You
because
are,
I'm sure
yeah.
we use the same ingredients. You're telling me, well, we need to be honest with the followers. This one is very good, okay? Leave it like this. And then this one between spinach, pepper, and aubergine. I think my favorite is aubergine. Second one spinach, and the last one pepper.
Cacık.
So we are going to carry on a bit more. We'll see how finished because I'm already full. Like no dessert for sure.
Yes, dessert, yes.
Eh?
We have one dish which we share.
Do we share for sure because I'm here privileged.
But the ambience is like really magical. All the figures and everything.
Estoy helada porque estoy bajo del aire acondicionado, ¿vale? Hemos cenado en Vejes. El sitio muy bien. O sea, yo estoy sorprendida porque no soy muy de innovar con la comida. Y es comida persa, similar a turca. Y muy bien, me han gustado mucho los sabores. De hecho, el tío me estaba vacilando porque él estaba hablando con los camareros que el servicio muy bien y yo seguía comiendo y mojo aquí y mojo allá y me como esto y me como lo otro. Muy rico, no nos lo hemos podido terminar, imposible porque la cantidad era un montón
Sí.
y el precio barato, o sea, no es nada caro para la cantidad que te ponen y lo handmade que es todo, muy tradicional, muy sano, para mí todo muy nuevo, ¿sabes? Parece que estás aquí como en otro mundo. Me he teletransportado a Asia en 2 segundos. Muy bien, muy recomendable a los que estéis por Londres.
Meditational. I love it. I love the place.
Well, I can hold it
Even
because appear the
even the guy, he came to the table because I was asking because I can read Arabic a little bit when the letters are saying. When I read, it's
You don't say lies.
And the letters I was reading. I told Mercedes that it says restaurant behest, which is easy to like yes.
which is normal because it's the name of the restaurant.
You are really bad girl.
A ver, yo telas.
I asked the guy if I read correct. He's like corrected me.
Can I ask you in direct? to translate for me other word.
Yeah.
To see if you can read. Well, I promise that I didn't drink. Tell us. Venga.
Yeah, I asked how I read because I said I'm Turkish because we learn the alphabet. When I say I'm Turkish, he starts speaking Turkish. He was so nice.
He
He
is.
deal with everything, yeah.
Very good service.
And when I was talking with him, because Mercedes was saying, "I'm so full, I'm so full," like we finished like half of the food. But when I talking with him, maybe half an hour, I turn back, table is empty. Mercedes eats everything.
No.
Take
Well, to be
advantage.
fair, I ate as much as I could. Close to explode, so I stopped it.
But I'm really impressed. It's like vibe of Mesopotamia. It's not Middle East.
No, it's Middle East.
They call it Middle East, but it's Mesopotamia.
Mesopotamia. We studied that in the school.
So this vibe of
That area
Mesopotamia is
has lots of
antique.
history. Gio, please translate for me other word in Arabic. Please, the followers love that. Show us your skills translating. Where is the menu? No, in the menu everything is translated.
You're so bad.
Because it's not just because of the food is the experience, having nights, came to
You see how she
London.
make fun of me?
No,
Do I do it anytime?
no.
Never. But
The iron we
because-
have.
Just because I'm editing these videos, she just. And this is the ending. Ending goes with dessert, which is
Well,
in the
so-
coconut shell.
So then how nice is this
It
one?
looks so nice.
And this
and
one
this
with
is-
pistachio, I think, no?
But the ice cream is with saffron.
With
Saffron.
saffron. For that is yellow.
Yeah, we'll
Tomorrow we are going to be yellow. So,
see. And I'm a big guy.
give me 5 seconds.
I'm a big guy. This girl is like my half of, not even half, my arm size. And she's eating everything.
I love it, and I cannot control myself. What can I say? No,
The salon is amazing, it's magical, isn't it? And this stuff, I love it. No? What? You? You don't? Of course, again. You didn't like it?
it's scary.
Scary?
Yeah.
You scared from the guy? Gulyabani. But
This is more or less nice. More or less.
this is hella expensive, you rude. Look at that.
This is typical from there.
Can make iron.
To make Iran?
Yeah. Or not. Maybe I'm lying.
You are.
Or
but
just
the
I'm
followers
making
are
up.
going to know. You, the ice cream.
That's it. Wow, this is lovely. The video.
Opinions, very nice.
But we always close in the car, so yeah.
Yeah, it's like typical for us. Good quality. Good price, good service. Different for me, like it's not the typical food you used to have, so it's quite different. I love it. I ate a lot. The ice creams we have.
And you make
flavor.
fun of me a lot.
Yes, always because Gio is.
Robert.
I like make joke with the people that is so confident. But yes, very nice place to come to.
You recommend everybody in UK to come
Yes.
and at least once taste, right?
At least once, why not? If you are in London, close to
Even
Kensington.
like when you come London, if you wanna find it's not too far away from the central London. It's like half an hour.
No, it's close. That is close to the.
Yeah,
city
you can come and taste. It's cheap. It's
yes.
like portions are big. The whole
And the
behest.
quality, the flavor, it's like you can see they care about the food they are serving. Very nice. But at
Even the
moment,
dessert, I
feel
love it.
awful, like too full.
Okay, say bye then Nicholas. Takipte kalın.
I hope you like it. Put your comments. Oh my god.
Günaydın Mügeç.
Şimdi modum geldi. Yemek görünce.
Hola mamacita.
Allah sizi.
Onları kesmem. Arkadaşlar merhabalar. Bugün Londra'da enfes kültürlerindeyiz. Ünlü bir mekan. Bu belki daha böyle bir başka yemek çeşitlerimiz devamdır. Tabii ki şu anda beni mest eden şey nedir? Hep Türkleştireceğiz diyorduk. Direkt göbeğinden girdi iş. Kuyumak ne? Ben yemiyorum kuyumağı arkadaşlar. Yeah.
Which one first?
Another Turkish breakfast and it's not what we have breakfast.
Well, it's amazing. No, it's different
Is
food.
it different? No.
But it's the same kind of style, like lots of things, cheese, different food, fruit as well with bread. It's amazing.
Last one is called pocha, just a bit inside, so vegan and vegetarian.
Thank you.
Eat. Dişili falan. Wow. Is it good?
Amazing.
Yeah.
I love it.
Birazcık yiyin.
I can't wait. I can't wait.
Yerken size göstermek istemiyorum bu işi. Yani çünkü ben izlesem acı çekerdim yani.
Cut this, yeah, I love it.
Which one is the favorite again?
Artı
Well,
cheese.
everything with cheese, I love it. This, I love it because it reminds me pisco, which is a Spanish
Tell
food
the
as
name, the
well.
menemen.
Menemen. Menemen. This one reminds me to Spain and it's very nice. I love it. Vámonos.
Vámonos.
Su böreği,
Sugary.
mısır ekmeği. It's they call it mücver, but I think it's fishy because there is kabak inside.
They call it mücver. That is fishy. Delicious. But Mercedes never stops.
I know, it's like a nut. I mean, it's big heaven. When I'm going to have this breakfast again, who knows? And the ingredients, I love it. And now a bit of I'm a bit clumsy, okay?
One bite.
Just in case someone come and we have to share.
Very nice.
Evet arkadaşlar sabahtan beri geziyoruz tozuyoruz. Londra'daydım bu sabah. Şimdi ülkenin öbür ucuna geldim. Maşallah bizim güzelliklerimiz burada. Bütün ülkenin güzelliği buraya toplanmış.
Mezbanlı prensesleri. Mezbanlı prensesleri.
Adamlar seçmece almış bunları. Yani böyle bir şey, böyle bir güzellik.
Kamera açık diye onları diyor. Bipli orayı.
Sakin ol, geçecek bunlar. Evet, sabahtan beri gezdik, tozduk. Londra'da kahvaltılar, akşam yemekleri geldik. En son bir de partimizi yaptık. Partinin tabii sonuna yetiştim ama yine de eğlenceli arkadaşlar. Gelenin kafası bozsun. Evet, kendinize iyi bakın.
En kısa zamanda bir başka partimizde görüşmek üzere arkadaşlar.